Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue many of us encounter: slow computer performance. Follow along as we take you through practical, straightforward steps on how to get your computer running faster and smoother again. Firstly, we need to make sure your computer is clean from any lurking malware that might be causing the performance slump. Here's how you do it. Let's open Windows Security Features. You can access this by typing Windows Security in the search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Once you've opened Windows Security, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection. This is where you can manage the security threats to your system, including viruses and malware that may be affecting your computer's performance. Now, in the Current Threats subsection, we will select Scan Options. This allows us to choose the type of scan we want to run on our computer. For this guide, we will initiate a full scan. This scan takes a while longer but is useful in catching all potential threats, even ones that a quick scan could have missed. Lastly, click on Scan Now to start the scanning process. This might take some time, so feel free to continue with other work as it runs. Next up, we're going to unclutter the hard drive to free up some disk space, which can lead to significantly improved performance. Simply hit the Start button, look for the Disk Cleanup tool, and run it on your main drive, typically the C drive. Choose the types of files you wish to delete and hit OK, then Delete Files. Another tip to keep your computer running smoothly is ensuring your operating system and other software are kept up to date. For Windows users, navigate your way to Settings, then Update and Security. And finally, Windows Update. Click on View All Optional Updates. That's it! You can now choose the updates and then select Downloads and Install. Don't forget about your other software too. Keep them updated through their respective settings. Too many programs launching at startup? This can slow down your system significantly. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Choose the Startup tab. And here you can disable any programs that you feel aren't necessary on startup. Just select the program and then click the Disable button on the right bottom of the Task Manager. If everything else fails, it might be time for a more serious upgrade. Consider upgrading your RAM or switching out your hard drive for an SSD. Remember to research compatible options for your PC model. You can usually install these yourself following the manufacturer's instructions, or consider seeking professional help. That's all for today, folks. We hope you found this guide help you to improve your computer's speed and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.